Can you hear that? That's that goose up there. I've never heard him make that noise before. He must be calling out to one of his young. See him over there, the white one? Right next to that tree. Hey guys, want something to eat? Hey. Oh wow, he's really vocal. Hey bud, want something to eat? Yeah. You're welcome. You're really vocal. I can hear you from all the way down there. Are you okay? You sound hoarse. Come here. Hey, bud. Wow, he's definitely looking for someone or something. Poor guy. Can I help you? What's wrong, bud? You okay? What's wrong, bud? What's going on? Wow. Seems like he's calling out to someone. What is it, bud? You looking for someone? Whoa. What's going on?